In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Calendar not showing birthdays anymore. If you've noticed that those important birthday reminders seem to be missing, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's go through the steps together to get those birthdays visible once again. The first thing you want to do is ensure that the birthdays calendar is actually enabled in Google Calendar on your desktop. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. When you have it open, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. What you want to do is look for the option labeled Birthdays. If you see it and notice that it's unchecked, simply click the box next to it to enable it. This should immediately bring back your birthday reminders. However, if you don't see the birthdays option at all, don't panic. Instead, click on the plus icon next to Add Other Calendars. This will give you a drop-down menu where you should select Browse Calendars of Interest. In this menu, you'll be able to find and turn on birthdays, so make sure you do this if it's not already visible on your main calendar page. Once you've ensured the calendar is enabled, it's also essential to double-check the source of those birthdays, which is Google Contacts. Your Google Calendar pulls all its birthday information from Google Contacts, so let's make sure everything is set up correctly there. Head over to Google Contacts in your web browser. You'll want to scroll through your list of contacts and verify that their birthday information is included. If you find that some birthdays are missing, take this opportunity to edit their information. Once you're editing a contact, look for the option to add a birthday, and make sure you save your changes once you've entered the correct information. After you've updated your contacts with any necessary birthdays, it will be important to refresh your Google Calendar. This step ensures that all the birthday data you've just added or confirmed in Google Contacts syncs correctly with your calendar. Give it a moment to refresh and then go back to your calendar view and verify that the birthdays are now appearing as you expected. By following these straightforward steps, you should successfully resolve the issue of missing birthdays on your Google Calendar. I hope these instructions were clear and helpful, and if you encounter any more issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or reach out for further guidance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe